Sophie with Off Leash Canine. I'm here today with Miss Ryleigh. Oh my goodness, girl. She is a 1-year-old Labradoodle and she's here for our 2-week board and train. Her owners have sent her to us because she likes to jump on everybody. She doesn't always know how big and strong she is either. She likes to pull on the leash quite a bit, and the girl also likes to counter surf a fair amount. Last night she got into some peppercorn steak and ate all of it within seconds, so we're gonna put in a lot of work with Miss Ryleigh over the next 2 weeks. So this is where she's at on day 1. Where you going, girl? Ryleigh, can you come? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Ryleigh, where you going? Oh, where you going, girl? Ryleigh, can you sit? Ryleigh, sit. Oh, good sit. Good sit. Oh, there's the jumping. Can you down? Ryleigh, down? No, that's okay. What about heel? Ryleigh, can you heel? Heel? No, that's okay. All right, come on, girl. Oh my goodness. All right, that is where Ryleigh is at on day 1. Enjoy her after video. Come on, sweet girl. Come on.